this is a thermochemistry problem. We have a colder nickel sheet placed on top of a hotter palladium sheet. Then the heat from palladium is transferred to the sheet of nickel. And that heat transition will stop when both sheets of metals reaches the same final temperature. And our job is to find out what that final temperature is. The key equation for solving this problem is Q equals mCs delta T. Delta T is the temperature change, Cs is the specific heat capacity, and m is the mass. So the heat received by the colder nickel sheet comes from the heat from the hotter palladium sheet. For nickel, that's endothermic because of the received heat. And for palladium, that's exothermic. That's why I have this negative sign for the heat given off by palladium. Now, let's apply this key equation right here. Let's do nickel first. We have 5.79 kilograms. We can easily convert that to grams. That should be 5,790 grams times Cs. That's for nickel. And then times the temperature change, Tf. The initial temperature for nickel is 13. Now we'll get to palladium. Negative, that should be 16,900 grams times Tf minus Ti. Ti in this case, 66 degrees. And of course, the Cs here is for palladium. Now for the specific heat capacity. They are not given in this problem. In that case, you can just simply Google and find them out. So therefore, those Cs values should be available, should be known, okay, becomes known. So then the only unknown in this equation here is Tf. You have Tf here, and you have Tf here. That's the same value. So therefore, you can just rearrange this mathematical equation and just so you can just solve for Tf. That's the strategy for solving this problem.